Community Energy Project offers free workshops that help households save energy, improve home comfort, and create healthier living environments. Our workshops cover seasonal weatherization, indoor air quality, mold prevention, radon awareness, carbon monoxide safety, and lead poisoning prevention. Winter weatherization workshops are offered from October through March, and summer weatherization workshops are available from May through September. Workshops are held through Multnomah County and can be attended in person or online. To make our programs accessible to more community members, workshops materials are available in more than 12 languages. Income-qualified participants might also be eligible to receive free weatherization supplies. Whether you rent or own your home, our workshops provide practical, low-cost solutions to help reduce energy costs, improve home health, and connect households with additional resources and services.